What anchor type does your website need? I get asked this question almost every single day, and I hate to say it, but there is no perfect ratio. Simply put, it's best practice to have a variation of them all. You can use Ahrefs and look at all the anchor text ratios your competitors are using and then try to mimic that. However, I wouldn't recommend it as it gets messy very, very quickly. As a result, it's best to keep things natural and build all anchor types. I've seen websites at the top of Google with just exact match anchors, and I've also seen websites at the top of Google with just branded anchors. I guess Google just has a different range of lenience for different industries. You do, however, need to be super careful when you're using exact match anchors, as you can very quickly over-optimize a website. This is especially true if your domain name has a keyword in it, as Google can potentially get confused and think you're building exact match anchors when in fact you're just building branded links. For example, if your website is called yogamats.com and you start building tons of links to your website with the anchor saying yoga mats, this can be very easily misinterpreted that you're trying to build tons of links to your site with exact match anchors, when in reality, you're just building branded anchors. If a domain does have a keyword in it, be sure to pay close attention to that and avoid exact match anchors even more.